Guns and Tactics 2022 TriggerCon coverage. We got to spend some range time with these Cobalt rifles, and I have to say I was impressed. They got a lot of cool stuff going on. Not only do they look cool, but they run cool, and there's some really cool stuff going on under the hood that Aaron, literally the man in charge, is going to tell us all about.
Right on. Historically, Cobalt been around since 2014. Focused primarily on the three-gun side, the competition world. Purchased the company in 2020, and over the past 2 years, tried to take some of those characteristics, refine them, make them a lot more reliable, put them into a platform that would be considered more of a duty grade, focus on reliability, things like that.